Hello, this is Romario with Cricut Design Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to create a stacked effect with a text that you have outlined. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of the new videos we'll be posting. So the first step for this project will be to click on the text button. Then I'm going to change the font. I already have this one pre-selected. I'm also going to change the color. And then for the text, I'm just going to call it stacked, since we're trying to create a stacked effect with an outline text, right? The next step is to make a copy. And I'm just going to move it down here. Then I am going to click on offset. And for me, it's already, I guess it's the last time I clicked, it was on 0.025. If yours is not at that, you can manually change it or use the slide. It's easier if you just type it. Then you click check weld offsets. It should be by default checked, but just make sure that that's checked. Then you're going to hit apply. After that, you're going to select the text that you want to do the stacked effect. Then you're going to click on combine and then subtract. And you're going to get this effect. And now this part here is pretty similar to the other video that we published on how to do the stack effect. You're going to create a shape. A square works well. And you're going to put it like right about halfway. Just make sure that it covers the text. Then after that, you're also going to select the shape and the text. And you're going to click on slice. Then you're going to delete the shape and the grayed out area. With that, we can move text up here, and then we can move this one down here. And then we're going to repeat the same process again. So we're going to make a copy. I'm going to move it down here. Then we're going to click on offset. See, now automatically comes up again. So you're going to hit apply, select the text, click on combine, subtract, and then we're going to make a shape again. Now this time we don't want to do halfway, we want to do like a smaller selection. So instead of going like right here, we can probably go like about right here. Don't make it too small, but definitely smaller than the first one. And then the same thing, we're just going to highlight, select the text and the shape. Now we'll click on slice, and we can delete this part and the grayed out area. And you should have this part that's outlined. And then we can use this part for the other half. So we're just going to make a shape, square, and we do about like right here again. Just make sure again it's covering the text. Then we'll select shape and the text. We'll click on slice. And here we're going to delete this and this. And we can delete this part too. And then we're going to move this one over here. And then just to make it look nice and even, you select the entire text, and you're going to click on align, center horizontally, and there you go. That's how you stacked with an outline text.